Okay, so today I'm doing the review of Park Photo Scan Assets by Nature Manufacture. And I'm going to go ahead and do a preview. I'm kind of excited about this one. Looks like they got a nice demo, so I can't wait to look at the demo. Nice waterfall. Okay, so let me look at this. And let me look at the comments as we always go through the comments. Okay, let's go through the bad comments first and then we'll go to the good comments. Let's see, this one was 5 years ago. Disappointed, unfortunately. Unfortunately, as someone stated in comments, a lot of actual content and package screens on store is missing. Okay, I get that you do not I get that you do not sell lighting assets and screens are made with highly overclocked HDRP or something like that. But this package is missing trees, grass. It looks like it was missing a lot of stuff 5 years ago. So it looks like a lot of people weren't happy. 6 years ago, they weren't happy. So that was 5 or 6 years ago. So let's look at the 3 star. Uh, Okay, and they have 4 star. It says, "Yep, I read the reviews before purchasing this asset, so I knew what I was getting into." Yes, it looks slightly not what is shown in the video. The lighting does not match as well. What you're getting is some pretty high quality, hopefully not ripped assets to use in your own games. While I am sad that I just wanted a pretty scene to look at for $7, the assets pay for the cost. Honestly, I do recommend this asset. -1 star for the slight misinformation. Another person says which would have been better, the asset which is better than the update. It says I've tested in 2018 and 2019. It works good at both. I am a little disappointed with the demo scene. If it had been updated with a RAM demo like demo scene in forest environment and trees, grass, and flower, like the graveyard demo scene in post-processing, so I would give it 5 stars. Here's a video of what you get. I got a lot of help from Bart at the Discord channel so I can make the demo scene something like in the video. When I use the vegetation studio support packet adds grass and flower meshes, but the size was set to 3 to 4, so it had to adjust to around 1. Then I had to drag and drop the prefab to the placeholder in VS. Looks like he had to do like he had to make a lot of changes there. Okay, but he still gave it a 4. And then the other person, some people, that's great. Some people gave it a 5. Let's see, 2 years ago, I used it and it worked all right. We was using 2021 and it went bug missing package. Okay. Well, looks like that's what people had reviewed on there. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and now I'm going to show you what I've done with the park. Now that we're done. Okay, so today we're going to be reviewing the park demo. Now let's see here. I'm going to be walking through the park. What I did, I changed the demo scene a lot. I added the trees from the same publisher. I like the trees from their a different package that they had. So this is their demo scene, but I changed the trees and I changed some of the rocks and I added some different type of plants in there. But as far as the cement and this nice garbage can for the park, and these gates and the fountains and the benches. Those are and the railings. Those are part of the package, but I changed the trees and the plants, and I added some different types of soil in different places. So I changed a few things. So I'm going to walk through here. There you go. We'll go down. Now the bushes. Now these bushes did come with the package. I left these bushes in here, and you can see. I want to go over here a little bit. The grass that came with the package. And this lovely fountain came with the package. As you can imagine, a lot of people sitting around this beautiful fountain. Now that tree right there, the pink one, that came with the package. I deleted most of those trees out. I don't know, I don't know, I didn't like the tree. Nice fountain. A little rabbit over there. Doesn't come with the package, any of the animals. I added that myself. Now the waterfall, looks like that came with the package. The water and the river. There goes some rabbits that I added. This way. Oh, nice. I like the flow of the water. I'm a water person, I think. Ah, nice. Yum, I could just see myself with a newspaper or a book in my hand, and have to figure out what bench I'm going to sit at to read my book in the nice keyword quiet. Oh, I love. Now I added these plants. I added this grass to this. This did not come with the package. And those rocks came with the package. I couldn't take all the rocks out. I wanted to. I didn't like the rocks that they have in the package. I don't know. It looks more like a cemetery type of rocks. I don't know, I just didn't like them. So these are some of the rocks that I did add from the same publisher. They have better rocks in their other packages that they have. But I do like how they did this waterfall here. That came with it. Let me go back up. There's a little walkway. We'll go that way. Let's go up here first. I can see the waterfall. I can see all these beautiful trees that I added. It looks so much better. It's in my opinion. Again, I just don't like the rocks. It's like I don't know. I don't like the grass. I don't like the rocks. But I do like the benches and the lamps. I like the cement. Oh, look at this. I can look over here and look and see what everybody's doing. That part's nice. Like I said, I like the garbage can. And you know, the Unreal Engine Park spoiled me too. It has everything in there. This is beautiful Unity. And this is nice too. Oh, I think I went the wrong way. I was supposed to go this way. Let me go back. Okay, I'll go this way. Now I added some of the cement over here before it was dirt. And on this part, so I added some cement to make it more look like it was done. Oh, I do like that river and the waterfall. That's pretty. I like. And there goes the bridge. There's a lovely waterfall. And again, the rocks are really, I don't like these rocks at all. I was going to delete them all and just put some better grass there, but I was like, oh, running out of time. So at least I got some of the stuff out. The little statue there is nice. Statue. And we came from that gate. So this is the park. What my overall rating is, well, I have to be honest, I didn't like the demo at all, to be honest. I did like the base of what he has. I like this path. So the path was a plus. That was nice. The fountain in the water's nice. The benches, and I love the trash can. So, you know, there's some things that I'll definitely use in other packages. I got this at a discount, which I'm really glad. I got it on the New Year's discount, so it was like half off. What I'll do is, there goes the birds going, dipping out of the water. But I added the birds, so you know, it's just something that this package can make you think about how you want it to be, and you know, and it I don't know. I mean, since I added the trees that I like, and I added things to it, I like it a lot more than what I did. Let's put it that way. But yeah, I made it work for me. So now I like it. I really do. I think I was a little disappointed at the demo. I was like, oh no, I don't like this. But since I was able to put my own trees in and added some animals, and it's great. So I strongly encourage you to purchase their other packages and get the trees that you really want, and then get this one. That's what I would encourage. And let me show you something. Let me close out of here. Okay, so this is their original demo scene without any type of modification. I just put my own character in there so I can walk around. And this is what it looks like. So he's showing you all of the different flowers that he gives you. And you can tell it has I guess those are violet trees and violet plants. And so he's showing you this. This is what it looks like. don't know. For me, I just did. I don't know. I didn't like the. I don't know. I just didn't like the all the violet in here. I thought it was too much. It almost reminds me of the pink problem in Unity. I don't know, the Pepto Bismol problem. That's what it reminded me of. But I don't know. Now these daisies look okay. Those look nice. And I don't know. It's just, I guess it just wasn't my cup of tea. Everybody has different everyone has different tastes. But yeah, this is what it looked like. That's why I changed some things in it. I will say his other products do not look like this. They're 100% better. They look a lot better than this. Not saying this is like really, not saying this is bad, but usually his demos are like absolutely spectacular. I don't know. It just doesn't match his quality of work that he normally gives. So this right here, he just put a rock on some other rocks. But the water is there. But that's why I made all those changes, because I don't know. I just don't like this. I don't know. But I know it's just a demo scene, but I don't know. But that's nice right there, the river. There's a waterfall. Ah. So that's what it looked like. And yeah. I don't know. I thought I was gonna go crazy seeing all the purple. I was like, oh, this might be the pink problem in Unity. But I will tell you, when I got up to here, past the gate, yeah, it was more pink than purple. So if you want a different color tree, you have to buy his other products. But yeah, this is it. Well, anyway, this product will be on sale probably another week, maybe, because this was the New Year's sale. And so if you want some park benches and some light posts and fences and fountains, and I'm not sure, and so definitely get this product. And the trash cans, those are really nice. So there's some real nice stuff in here. And I like the daisies. So this is what the demo looked like. I don't know. I really don't like those rocks. But like I said, his other packages are absolutely spectacular. I think this one just it's just maybe he was just trying to get people to get the assets more so than the tree in here. All right. Well, I hope